Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the absolute magic of Google AI Nano Banana, officially known as the Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Model. This isn't just about creating images. It's about seamlessly editing, transforming, and bringing your wildest visual ideas to life with simple text commands. Whether you want to generate a brand new image or dramatically edit an existing photo, this tutorial will show you exactly how. Let's jump in. First things first, let's get you to where the magic happens. Open your web browser and go to gemini.google.com. You'll need to be signed in with your Google account. It's that simple to access this powerful tool. Now, let's look at its two core superpowers: generating new images from scratch and editing existing images conversationally. If you have a clear vision in your mind, Nano Banana can bring it to life instantly. In the chat box, simply describe what you want. Be specific. For example, type, "Create a photorealistic image of a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and towering glass skyscrapers, reflecting the orange light." Hit enter and watch as Nano Banana conjures your vision into existence. You can then refine it. Now, make the sky a deeper purple and add a large moon in the distance. The AI remembers your previous request, making iteration incredibly easy. This is where Nano Banana truly shines as a powerful editing tool. To start, click the Upload Image icon in the chat box. Select the photo you want to modify from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, you can start giving commands. The AI understands context and can perform complex edits. If you have a portrait, you can prompt, "Change the background to a vibrant, bustling street market in Marrakesh." Or, "Place this person on the surface of Mars, looking at Earth." Want to add something? Prompt, "Add a golden retriever puppy playing at her feet." Or to remove the person walking in the background. For precision, you can say, "Only change the blue car in the foreground to a vintage red convertible." Upload a regular photo and transform its aesthetic. Prompt, "Make this photo look like a classic oil painting." Or apply a moody cinematic film noir effect with strong shadows. Here is a game changer. Upload an image of a specific person or character. You can then prompt, "Now, put that same person in a superhero costume, flying over a modern city." The AI will do its best to keep the character consistent across new generations or edits. This is incredibly useful for storytelling or creating consistent brand visuals. To get the best results from Nano Banana, remember these 3 tips. First, be super specific. Instead of "make it brighter," try "illuminate the scene with soft golden hour lighting from the left." Second, use visual vocabulary. Think like a photographer or artist. Use terms like cinematic, wide angle, bokeh, chiaroscuro, hyper-realistic, or concept art. Third, iterate. Don't rewrite. If the result isn't perfect, don't delete your prompt and start over. Simply add a follow-up command like, "Make the colors more vibrant," or "Change the angle slightly to a low shot." The conversational flow is your secret weapon. And that's it. You now have the knowledge to harness the incredible power of Google AI Nano Banana for all your image generation and editing needs. It's a game changer for creators, marketers, and anyone looking to bring their visual ideas to life. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI insights. Let me know in the comments what amazing images you're creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.